Let's get ready.
No, they just lit something. They just lit something.
Ready? I know.
I'm recording.
Pessimist. Hell yeah. First? What the heck? No. That was awesome. That was disappointing. That's it. That's all they do, and we're expected to be satisfied.
It's a metaphor for
And then we have
premature
to leave.
ejaculation.
And then we're supposed to leave.
Okay.
Our school would be the one to do something like that. That's a metaphor for premature ejaculation.
I mean,
Go home
our
now.
mission.
It's a widespread problem.
Yeah. Let's do this, you fellas. Come on.
I believe in you. There we go.
Let's go. Ready? Ready?
I mean,
Prepare. And that is also something our school would do.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Come on. Bird to the ground. Burst. No.
why are they not bursting? I want bursting ones.
What the fuck?
Guys.
Come on.
What are you doing down there?
It's a cock tease.
Cocky and cockies. Burn it to the ground.
I had these expectations.
Somebody goes and depots all the fireworks and aims them at College Hall.
Someone stole our fireworks.
It's like the end of Me from Vendetta.
Never watched it.
You should. It's good.
Still got some Wes Anderson to catch up on.
Coen Brothers films to watch.
I actually haven't seen any of their movies, except like I think Dylan Kenyon wrote it.
Dylan Kenyon ruins everything for everyone.
OMG, Coen Brothers.
I hope you can hear that in the video so he can watch it and hear me say that.
Did you hear that, Dylan?
Dylan Kenyon ruins everything for everyone. And he's not here because he's an asshole.
True story, bro.
These are just great fireworks. Phenomenal, really. Totally beats out Paris.
Get in here, Brian.
I can't see your face. I don't know. Yeah.
Probably not. Philadelphia.
This is 2 minutes of black video. I want it to be one solid video, but I'm sick of recording this.
I know. Just don't stop.
I'm not going to. I'm not going to.
Don't stop.
What song is that from?
I think it's easier to feel good. Feel good incorporation.
Yeah. There's Mooney. And Mooney's girlfriend.
They run out of fireworks.
Mooney and his girlfriend. I don't know what's going on.
No, because all those people are in the way. At most,
Really?
No, I think. I know. It's cute. I wish I was little.
I do and I don't.
Okay, girls, you have to stay.
Oh my god, my hands.
No, but you want the shadow.
I don't know what. I don't even. There's 4 minutes of darkness.
Listen, fucking Mercury. I'll let you finish. I just want to say Guns N' Roses.
Nope.
What's making me feel they're immortal, not invincible? Yes, because they're immortal.
If I'm not back again this time tomorrow, carry on, carry on. As if nothing really matters.
I just want fireworks and stuff. Okay, here we go.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. That's a little too motivating.
Yep.
Yeah, it
Hold
is.
it.
Whatever.
Burn it to the ground, piece of meat.
Yup.
No, yeah.
Yep.
Burn it to the ground, obviously one.
Yep.
These are low.
Yep.
Jeez, they are low.
They should have floated him out.
Look, they can barely get it started.
I know, it's true. It's like watching a 3D movie. It just keeps getting closer and closer.
Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. That was cool.
Raining down on us and we all die.
Ooh, ah. Oh, we plateaued already, it seems.
Oh my god.
Can you smell them?
I do feel.
I don't.
I don't.
Oh, sorry.
I feel like they're coming in my face, though, for real.
Yeah, I do too.
Was that a 4 wins?
I don't think so. That would
Okay.
be cool shit though.
I want them to do a 4 wins or a 50 or something.
Oh my god.
They are landing in the water still lit.
Oh, okay.
I love those kind.
It's like gun tower.
Was that a joke?
No,
Oh.
I'm being serious. There's something that shouldn't be there in my eyes.
It's a personal experience.
Take it to the limit.
We personalize
Oh,
our
man.
education and our fireworks.
Those would be cool. Those would be really cool if they were floated out. Like that kind. I love fireworks so much. Cool shit. That was cool.
Every night at Disney.
Disney fireworks suck.
Yep.
So 20 though.
4th of July Disney fireworks, New Year's Disney fireworks, nothing. Actually, New Year's was better than 4th of July. Still wasn't that great.
New Year's is always better than 4th of July. Those are great.
I wish they exploded.
Yeah, I wish they
Or I wish they were like screamers or something.
should pop when they
It'd be cool if they were screamers.
Oh yeah.
Those are awesome. Now it's the 4th of July.
Yes, they used this one.
Hey, you don't know that.
We had to save money. Amanda.
Yeah,
We don't have a lot of money.
It's true, we are yearning for money.
Yeah, America.
Everyone, it would be phenomenal.
Yeah.
It's already great.
No, it would be phenomenal. I mean, I know it won't be the same, but still. I wish there was one that was a 4 wins.
I would really.
Because you know they could do it.
Yes, I am aware of what can be done with fireworks. I also want them to sell them.
Because they make those stupid ass smiley face ones.
Yeah.
And stars. Oh, dang, that was low.
That was low.
Yeah, it was. Oh, man. That'd be cool as shit job to be a pyrotechnician. So it's like fire noise times 100. It's like I don't know where that one shot off to. Ah! Oh my god. Ow. Ow.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
She's having a good time.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. I'm gonna ask her tomorrow.
I hope she stayed.
Ah, those were cool. I love those kinds. Oh, what are they doing? That was cool. That was awesome.
That was cool. I just got something in my eye.
Told you.
Yep, fell out of my eye.
Good for glasses.
Thanks for the
I was like, oh shit. Michael, kidding.
My arms hurt. And my back is starting to hurt. I was like,
Yeah.
Ooh, that's not good.
Oh wow.
That's not good.
That looks like an accident.
That didn't work.
Yeah.
Something is on fire over there.
Yep. Still fun. Yep. You tell me
Oh.
what's fire.
I'm not gonna record that. I mean, I kind of do.
Fireworks over there going.
No, there is a fire. There is a
One of
fire.
them fired, and now there is a fire.
Yeah.
Yep, I can.
Yeah.
Something.
Where's the fire truck?
No idea.
Because you know there is one here somewhere. Burn it to the ground.
Just see how it would happen.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see.
Oh.
Yep. Way to go in college.
Whatever, bro.